Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A90 5G and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button here, the second from the right. By tapping on it we can manage aspect ratio of this camera. Now we are in 3 and 4 aspect ratio. 3 and 4 is also available with 48 megapixels, the best possible quality of this camera. By tapping on this button once again, we can also go to 9 and 16 ratio. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, and this is how it looks like. Another tap to this button and we can pick 1 and 1, so this is the square one. And also when we pick here once again, we can go to the full one, and this is how it looks like. And of course when we tap here once again, we can easily go back to 3 and 4, the original one. And this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.